Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Raj from Radical Tech Art, your process automation strategist. In this video, we are breaking down one of the most widely used instrument in water and process industries, and that is pH sensor and transmitter. If you are working with RO system, wastewater treatment, chemical dosing, or even food and beverage, then understanding pH measurement is essential for consistent and safe operations. First, let's start with what is pH and why does it matter a lot? Let's start with the basic first. pH is a measurement of how acidic or alkaline a solution is. On a scale from 0 to 14, where 7 is neutral, pH less than 7 is acidic, and pH greater than 7 is alkaline or basic. Maintaining the right pH is very critical in many industries. In wastewater to meet discharge norms, in boilers to prevent corrosion, and in chemical processes to control reactions, in RO plants to protect membranes, and that's where pH sensor come in. Now let's cover how does a pH sensor work. A typical pH sensor consists of a glass electrode that detects hydrogen ions concentration, or reference electrode for comparison. The difference in voltage between these two gives us the pH value. Now, this voltage signal is tiny, unstable, and non-linear. That's why we need pH transmitters. The transmitter amplifies and conditions the signal, converts it into a 4 to 20 milliampere, 0 to 10, or a digital output like Modbus, and sends it to a controller like PLC or SCADA. Some transmitter also displays the value locally and allow calibration via keypads or software. Now let's cover where are pH sensor and transmitter used. Here are some common use cases. First application is water and wastewater treatment plants, adjusting pH in irrigation or chemical dosing. Second is RO and DM plants, protecting membrane and ensuring consistent product water. Third is chemical industry, neutralizing acidic or alkaline effluents. Fourth is food and beverage, ensuring pH balance in recipes or fermentation. Fifth is pharmaceutical, process consistency and regularity compliance. You will see pH transmitter mounted on panels near tanks or directly on pipelines using inline or submersible sensors. Now let's cover selection and calibration tips. When you are selecting a pH sensor or transmitter, consider this. First, mounting type. It should be inline, immersion, or insertion. Second is temperature and pressure rating. Third, output required like analog, Modbus, or hard. Fourth is sensor body type like glass, plastic, or stainless steel. Fifth is maintenance and frequency. Self-cleaning required or standard. Now, for calibration part, use standard buffer solution like pH 4, 7, and 10. Always range between calibration points. Some transmitters support auto or semi-auto calibration. Here, quick tip is if you are working in high scaling or dirty water environment, go for flat surface pH sensors to reduce flooding. So, to wrap it up, a pH sensor tells you how acidic or alkaline your process is. A pH transmitter helps you to read and use that value in automation system. Together, they are essential tool in industries where water, chemical, and control matters. If you got a use case or a question related to a pH in your plan, you can drop a comment in our comment section. We can definitely guide you on that. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. See you all in my next video of pH controllers.